Hey, let's go. They don't come with the code to the safe. No way we leaving out. We up by those off on they block. Ain't no plan, we staking out. I start spread till you get close. You see some come about their house. We tap the one, but I want both. We tried to run, we picked them out. We cool to be running.
YouTube, it's your boy 392Q, man. I'm back again with another video, man. Look, I'm about to go get this new Wickerbill spoiler put on my car, man. I'm supposed to go pick up my boy Ron. He's supposed to be coming with me to go get this mug installed and stuff. Going to Elite Customs. If you don't know, that mug is in St. Charles. They say it's gonna be like probably like an hour to install it, if that. You know what I'm saying? But we just gonna see when we get there. But I'm gonna pick up Ron, and then we're gonna be on the way there. We're supposed to be there at 1:30. It's 12:52 now. But shit, we on the way now. I'll see y'all when we get there. Yeah, it's straight 90 degrees out here, man. Niggas straight out here like slaving in this heat, bro. But anyways, we straight got this motherfucking spoiler, bro. But go ahead and get this mug installed real quick. On the way to the shop right now, man. So soon, once we get there, I'll tune back in. All right, we're pulling up to Elite Customs right now. They already got some heat on. A wrapped Tesla, a McLaren looking like a 720. I believe with the ooh shit. Yeah, that motherfucker hard. So we got a little Mazda RX-7. It is so hot out here, like it's 100 degrees out here, bro. So bad it's on flat. You know, can't really see up in there with the purple tint. Got a custom sound system up in there. You know. I got the RX-7 right next to the RX-8, bro. Crazy. Yeah, man. It's a Sunluway Venom V2. Yeah, this makes my back end look real aggressive, man. Man, but this is my car. Other than a Wickerbill, other than that, I know y'all haven't seen the whip yet, but this is it. 2021 Dodge Charger Widebody, ScatPack, you know. I ain't got no mods done to it yet, you know, just a 10. I got like some, what's it called? Paddle shifter extenders, yeah. 21, so you know we got the SRT red brake calipers and shit like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna also put people who did it at Elite Customs and Collision, they did a clean work with it, man. I'm gonna go back, get my diffuser put on by them and everything like that. So if you located in the St. Louis area, this is them right here. I'm gonna put their website and stuff in the description below. But yeah, that's the man who did it, Mike. Go that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, they do everything, man. They repair cars, restoration, paintless, dent removal, all that stuff, man. Insurance work, paint jobs, anything you want, man. They can do it, man. So yeah, I'll go ahead and hit them up. I'll put all the descriptions, the things I bought in the description box below, man. And earlier in the video, you probably saw my seatbelt covers, ScatPack badge seatbelt covers. These are the paddle extenders, you know what I'm saying, matched on the interior with the mug, Shout out to who is Louis 13. He inspired me to get these mugs. But woo, that mug is hard. Yes, sir. Oops, speed bump. That mug is another one. That mug is hard, man. Like, you cannot even deny how hard that is right now. Like, come on, man. That mug hard. On the way to go see Ron right now, man, so the gang can see that mug. Hey, we finna take off, man. Be on the lookout for the new diffuser video. Finna get the mid muffler delete. That's gonna be in another video. Hey, stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe to your boy, man.